Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov tanggal 14 Juli merilis dalam 24 jam terakhir, Ukraina kehilangan lebih 1.000 tentara di sejumlah wilayah. Kerugian besar terjadi di 3 lokasi. Serangan presisi tinggi di dekat Beresnegovatoye, wilayah Nikolaev, Konstantinovka dan Kramatorsk, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, mengenai titik penempatan sementara unit Brigadi Marinir ke-35, Brigadi Mekanis ke-54, Brigadi Mobil Udara ke-81 dan Brigadi Pertahanan Teritorial ke-109. Akibat serangan rudal presisi tinggi, total kerugian formasi ini mencapai 1.000 personel dan lebih dari 100 peralatan militer, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur di Ingat. Di Telegram beredar rekaman video amatir serangan Rusia mengakibatkan kerusakan disertai asap tebal ke langit.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. The enemy suffers significant losses. High-precision strikes near Beresnegovatoye, Nikolaev region, Konstantinovka and Kramatorsk, Donetsk People's Republic, hit temporary deployment points of units of the 35th Marine Brigade, 54th Mechanized Brigade, 81st Air Mobile Brigade and 109th Territorial Defense Brigade. As a result of strikes, the total losses of these formations amounted up to 1,000 personnel and more than 100 pieces of military equipment. High-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit temporary deployment point of the 14th Mechanized Brigade Battalion, manned by nationalist and foreign mercenaries, near Chasov Yar, Donetsk People's Republic. The attacks have resulted in the destruction of 43 militants and about 170 injured. Russian Army Aviation hit temporary deployment point of the 97th Battalion of 60th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, near Malaya Tokmachka, Zaporozhye region, with high-precision missiles. The attacks have resulted in the destruction of 30 militants and about 37 injured. Conflicts and clashes with the use of weapons have increased among nationalist fighters. On July 13, more than 200 fighters of the 226th Kraken nationalist formation refused to follow the commander's order to move to the Kramatorsk area and claimed a transfer to the Kharkov city territorial defense. During the ensuing fight with the commanders and the ensuing gunfight, 6 militants were killed. Russian armed forces continue strikes against military facilities in Ukraine. High-precision sea-based caliber missiles destroyed multiple rocket launcher vehicles of the 45th Artillery Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces, hidden in hangars at the high-voltage equipment plant in Zaporozhye city. In addition, high-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces destroyed 4 command posts, including those of 61st Infantry Jager Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Beresnegovatoye in Nikolaev region and 80th Airborne Assault Brigade near Kramatorsk, 3 ammunition depots near Solidar, Tatyanovka in Donetsk People's Republic and Nikolaev, 1 fuel storage facility for military equipment near Kharkov and 21 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. As part of counter-battery fighting, 1 battery of multiple rocket launchers near Slavyansk, 1 platoon of multiple launch rocket systems near Nikolaevka and Donetsk People's Republic, and 1 artillery platoon of US-made M777 howitzers at firing positions in Pervomaisky in Kharkov region were destroyed. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery hit 19 command posts, 78 areas of artillery units in firing positions, and 232 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Russian Aerospace Forces fighters have shot down 2 aircraft of Ukrainian Air Force in the air, namely 1 Su-24 near Slavyansk and 1 MiG-29 near Troitskaya, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means destroyed 12 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Balakleya, Izum, Lozovaya, Shurovka in Kharkov region, Snegirovka, Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, Belogorovka, Karamzinovka, Slavyano-Serbsk, Mikhailovka in Lugansk People's Republic, and Derilova in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, operation. 2 .U ballistic missiles and 6 rockets of Uragan multiple launch rocket system were intercepted near Novaya Kakhovka in Nikolaev region. In total, 249 Ukrainian airplanes and 137 helicopters, 1,534 unmanned aerial vehicles, 354 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,050 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 744 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,145 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,292 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.